Affiliate marketing is an amazing side income you can start that can potentially make you thousands of dollars each month, but you won't make any money if you make these 5 mistakes. So let's go over them so you can avoid all of them. Okay, a mistake a lot of beginners make is not choosing a proper niche. A niche is basically a category, anything that you want to go in, and you only can pick one. You don't want to pick something like computers and talk about cats and then talk about dogs. You just want to pick one niche. Animals can be a niche, computers can be a niche, cameras can be a niche, pretty much anything can be a niche. So let's say cooking as a whole is a niche. We can talk about pots, pans, blenders, spoons, recipes for desserts, anything that has to do with cooking we can talk about, but we can't talk about anything like computers, printers, TVs, none of that, only cooking. Anything related to cooking, we can talk about it. And the easy way to find a niche is think about what you're good at or what you're interested in. So let's say you like video games, you can talk about the video game niche, or you like cameras, you can be in the camera niche, or even unicorns. Let's say you like unicorns. I'm pretty sure a lot of other people like unicorns, so you can pick that niche as well. Just pick a niche that you're interested in, because if you pick a niche that you think will make a lot of money but you have no interest in, you're probably going to give up on that new niche sooner. So just make sure you're at least a little interested in that niche. And what I like to do sometimes when I can't find a niche is just coming over to Amazon and just scrolling through all their products, because they have a lot of products on here. And because a lot of times I use Amazon affiliate program, which we'll talk about later, I can just scroll through and just go through all their different products and see what I will be interested in, because Amazon has a lot of products, from clothing all the way down to car parts. So if you want to come over to Amazon.com and just scroll through all their products to see a potential niche that you can sell in, that's an amazing idea too. Okay, and the second biggest mistake that a lot of affiliate beginners make is not validating your niche. This is an important step you don't want to skip over, because if you don't validate your niche, you might be in a niche that's too hard to rank in if you're using Google, or that won't make you much money. So you need to make sure you validate your niche. And let's look at a couple tools to make sure you skip over these huge problems. And the first tool is going to be Mozbar Chrome extension. Mozbar is a tool that shows you the PA and DA. The domain authority is all you need to look at. That's the DA, to make sure whatever niche, topic, or any keyword that you pick isn't too hard to rank for if you're using Google. It's free to download, and all you need to do is come over to Google Chrome extension store and search up Mozbar, and it'll come straight up for you. And the second tool is going to be Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is an amazing tool too. You can get it from keywordseverywhere.com and install it from your Chrome, and it's a plugin as well, and it shows a lot of data when you're doing your keyword research if you're using SEO for this. And this right here is what it looks like with both of the tools on. This right here is Keywords Everywhere that you see on the right, and below every website you see here is the Mozbar Chrome extension. It shows you the DA. The DA is a scale of 1 to 100, and it shows you the domain authority of each website. And the domain authority is just how high a certain website ranks in Google. So 95 is super high, super high. 76 is high, 87 is high. When you're searching for a keyword, you want to make sure you see a domain authority under 25. 25 and under is ones you want to see on here. So let's say this was 25 right here. If you make a brand new website, you could be ranking in Google in a few months, versus if you see stuff like 95, 76, it's going to take you way longer. I'm talking about years to rank. So make sure it's a domain authority 25 and below, or else it's going to be super hard for your new website to rank in Google. And with Keywords Everywhere, it shows you the volume each month, and it shows you related keywords. As you can see, 2,900 people search this keyword each month. And it shows you different keywords you can target as well, like cast iron skillet, 135,000 people. That's a lot of people. And it shows you the trends over each month, or how many people search for it as well over the months of the year. So it shows you a lot of data. So let's say there's only 10 or 20 people searching this up each month, then it's not no volume, and you're probably not going to get many affiliate sales. But if it's anything over 2,000 people searching for the keyword, you can go for it, because you can also target related keywords and talk about these related keywords as well on your website. So using these two tools to make sure you validate your niche is very important. Okay, and the third mistake a lot of beginners make is not making consistent content for their website or their social media account. It's very important that you stay consistent with your posting on whatever platform you're on, because it takes time and effort to grow that audience on Google and your social media account. So if you're not posting consistently, it really hurts your chances on being able to make affiliate sales over the long run. And if you struggle with getting content ideas, you can use ChatGPT just to ask, what's some content ideas for the gaming niche, or what's some content ideas for the pet niche for my website, or anything like that of the sorts, and it will give you content ideas. And the method I use is googlekeywordplanner.com, where you can get content ideas for your website if you're using the website route. And it's really easy to do. Just go over to googlekeywordplanner.com, and once you get to this screen, I'm going to click discover new keywords, and let's say my keyword is best skillets. I'm going to type that in, hit enter, and get results. And right here, it shows me best skillets, but what I'm looking for is keyword ideas that's relevant to that. Best nonstick pan, best cast iron skillet, best frying pan. There's a lot of different ideas I can write an article or blog about on my website, and I know people are searching for them because I can see the volume as well. So these are two methods that you can use if you're struggling to get content ideas. Okay, and the fourth mistake a lot of beginners make is not learning your platform correctly. It's important to know the platform you're on. Let's say you're on TikTok or Instagram, Google, Facebook, whatever it is. It's important that you learn your platform and learn what type of content the people on that platform like as well. Because of course, Google is different from TikTok, and TikTok is different from Facebook audience. So if you're using just the same methods for every platform, it's not going to work. So it's important that you learn it. And it's easy to learn your platform. The first way is just by posting consistently. This will give you an idea what type of content the people on your platform like, and what works well and what doesn't work well. You can learn the trends and everything you need to learn about the platform from just posting consistently. When it comes to social media, this means posting 2 to 5 times a day. It requires a lot of posting, especially if you're on anything like TikTok or Instagram Reels, or maybe even Facebook Reels or YouTube Shorts. But when it comes to YouTube, if you're using YouTube for your affiliate marketing, you only need to post like a couple times a week. And if you're using Google, let's say your SEO route, you only need to post like 2 articles / blogs each week as well. And on average, I would say give it at least half a year before you start to see some consistent affiliate commissions on each platform. This may be less, this may be more, depending on how much effort and time you was putting in each day. Okay, and the fifth mistake that a lot of beginners make is probably the most important, and this one right here is monetization / getting paid. And I'm pretty sure you want to get paid for all your hard work, whatever platform you put in. So let's look at a couple of affiliate programs if you don't know any. The first affiliate program is AmazonAssociates.com. It's easy to sign up for. They pretty much accept anybody. Then you just recommend their products and you earn. It's that easy. For all their products, they give you an affiliate link you can get, so you can easily promote the product, no matter if you're on Google using a website, TikTok, or on Facebook. Whatever platform you want, it's going to be easy to promote your affiliate links using Amazon Associates. Okay, and the second affiliate program you can sign up for is Walmart Affiliate. Walmart Affiliate is another top affiliate program because of how popular they are, and you can promote any product on their website, just like with Amazon. You're going to have a higher conversion rate as well, because everyone already knows Amazon and Walmart, so they already trust the platform. So when you're sending them to Amazon or Walmart, they're going to be more impulsed to buy something. Okay, and let's say you have a specific brand or anything of the sort in mind that you want to see if they have an affiliate program for. You can absolutely do that. So let's say you're in the shoe niche and want to see if Nike have an affiliate program. You can just go to Google and type in Nike affiliate program and search it up, and look what come up. Nike affiliate program where you can sign up and earn money. So just that easy. You can search up any brand name to see if they have an affiliate program, and most websites do, and most brands do have affiliate programs now. I work with a lot of websites, so let's search up Name Hero, which is a web hosting service, and let's say right here they have their affiliate program. So you just can click on any one of them and apply for the affiliate program, and it shows you, and it always shows you a whole bunch of data, like how much money you could be making. And it's easy to sign up for a lot of them depending on what niche you're in. So if you sign up for Walmart and Amazon, but you have a specific brand in mind, you can definitely use this method with any brand that you have in mind, so you can work with brands that are within your niche. Okay, and that right there is the 5 mistakes you want to avoid when starting affiliate marketing, or if you're doing affiliate marketing, you just want to avoid these 5 things at all costs. Because if you don't, this can really ruin your profits and ruin your chances of earning money ever. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and until next time.